Okay, good morning students. In today's lecture, the last topic of that chapter number 14, statistics. It is the graphical representation. So, in a graphical representation, how can we represent the graph? We can represent the graph on the which basis? So, we can discuss in this lecture. But before that, you must remember with the term cumulative frequency, lower limit and upper limit. You are already familiar with that, upper limit, lower limit and median. So in the last lecture we can discuss about the median. Clear? We have in the formula for that, and from the formula we can easily find out the value of median. So in this lecture we are going to our next topic. It is graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. So in a graphical representation of cumulative we are already familiar with this term, CF, cumulative frequency. Clear? We can find the CF in median in 14.3 exercise. So in this lecture we are discuss about the cumulative frequency curve, or it is sometimes it is called ogive. Clear? It is ogive, pronounce is ogive, but we can write down in ogive. Clear? It is ogive. So in a ogive curve, what we can discuss in this? So first of all, how can we represent the graphical representation? So before that, we have two different types of the graph. First, it is less than type ogive, and second, it is more than type ogive. So we have the two types of ogive graph. So first of all, if you draw the graph of less than type ogive, at that time you are drawing the graph upper limit versus cumulative frequency. Clear? So first of all, we can write down the upper limit on a x axis. So it is our x coordinate. Upper limit is also declared as our x coordinate, and on a y axis we can plot cumulative frequency. It is also called CF. So ogive means what? We can draw the graph of upper limit versus cumulative frequency if it is less than type of ogive. So for a less than type ogive, you need to remember these two things, upper limit and CF. If upper limit and CF is given, we can easily draw that graph. So here I am taking one of the example. See that if upper limit is 10, so CF is also 10. So both are matching here. So first coordinate is 10, 10. Then second 20, 18. Clear? Then 30, 25. This similarly like that. And we can plot all the point on our graph, and then we can join this. So it is called which kind of the ogive? It is called less than type ogive. So you need to remember the two things. If in an example they are asking draw the ogive curve of less than type, at that time you need to plot the upper limit versus cumulative frequency graph. Now we are going to our next second type of ogive. It is more than type ogive. So now more than type of ogive, what happened? Here we are plotting the graph lower limit versus cumulative frequency. So what is the difference between more than type and less than type? If less than type, we are using upper limit. If it is more than type, we are using lower limit versus CF. So CF is remaining fixed as our y coordinate. But what is the change? If more than type of ogive, we are considering the lower limit, and if it is less than type of ogive, we are considering the upper limit. So that is the change between more than type ogive and less than type ogive. So here once again we are taking the one example. If limit is lower limit is 0, so reading CF is 50, then 10, then 20 like that. So we can plot that graph of lower limit versus cumulative frequency if they are asking more than type ogive. Clear? So you need to remember the two things, less than type ogive and more than type ogive. And second thing, sometimes they are asking draw the more than as well as less than type ogive in one graph. So we can combine these both graph. Clear? So we can take the one example. So you can get the idea. How can we draw the ogive curve on our real example or real practical situation? So what we can do? Here I am writing the classes. See that classes 5 to 10, 10 to 15, similarly like that, up to 35 to 40. And here number of shops are given. So 2, 12 like that. So total number of shop, it is 30, because sum of these all it will be 30. Now next thing, cumulative frequency. So how can we find the cumulative frequency? First of all we can write 2, then 2 plus 12 it is 14, then 14 plus 2 it is 16. Similarly we can add, so we can find the cumulative frequency. Now we need to find out the coordinates of less than type ogive and more than type ogive. So first of all we can draw the less than type ogive. So if you want to draw the less than type of ogive, so first of all, if it is less than type of ogive, so here they are saying that what? Upper limit versus CF. They are saying that what? Upper limit versus CF. So it is our lower limit and it is our upper limit. So upper limit is 10. So at that time CF value is 2. So 10 versus 2. So first point is 10 comma 2. Then upper limit is 15. 15 comma 14. Second point. 20 comma 16. Then 25 comma 20. Then 30 comma 23. Then 35 comma 27. And last 40. Upper limit is 40. And CF value it is 30. So we can get, if you want to draw the less than type of ogive, so we can draw the graph of upper limit versus cumulative frequency. So now we can plot that in our graph. So 10, so here it is CF. So CF is 2 and upper limit is 2. So it is here we have a 2. Next, then 15 comma 14. So 15 is between that 14, so it is like here. Then 20 comma 16, 20 comma 16, so it is here. Then 25 comma 20, 25 it is here, comma 20, so it is here. Next 30 comma 23, so 30 comma 23. Then 35 comma 27, 35 comma 27. Then 40 comma 30, 40 comma 30. So it is here. So it is our graph. So if you draw this graph in our graph paper, so you have in the exact scale. So now we can join this point. So it is called which kind of the graph? Less than type ogive. Clear? It is called less than type ogive or ogive. Both are the same, but pronunciation is ogive. Clear? Next, now we want to draw the more than type of ogive. Clear? We want to draw the more than type of ogive. So first of all we are considering the lower limit. See that lower limit 5, and then the maximum reading. So first point is 5. So first of all here we are writing 30. Clear? Then 30 minus 2, so it is 28. Then 28 minus 28 minus 16, so it will be 14. So similarly we get the all the point like that, 5 comma 30. See that 5 comma 30. Then 30 30 minus 2, so it will be 28. Then 28 minus 14, 28 minus 14, so it is 16. Then 16 minus, so we can get here, we can get the 14. then 10, then 7, and then 3. So it will be in the reverse sequence. Clear? First of all, we are writing the maximum reading. Then we can subtract 2. Then we can subtract. Similarly, we can get all the point. Clear? Now, if you want to draw the more than type of ogive, so here we are considering which? Lower limit. It is lower limit versus CF, and here upper limit versus CF. So first point it is 5, 30. So limit is 5, 30. So it is here 5, 30. We are using the different chalk, so you can get the idea. Second, 10, 28. 10, 28. So it is here. Then 15, 16. 15, 16. So it is here. Then 20, 14. 20, 14. Then 25, 10. 25, 10. So it is here 10. Then 30, 7. 30, 7. Last 35, 3. So 35, 3. So it is here. So graph is like that pattern. Clear? So this is called which kind of graph? More than type ogive. Clear? It is called more than type of ogive. So we can draw the both graph in one graph. Clear? We can plot the both graph, more than type and less than type. So here they are cut. They are also cutting here. Clear? So in some example they are also asking, find the median from ogive graph. So at that time we can find the median from directly the ogive graph. So we can see in our exercise number 14.1. So now we are going to start our exercise number 14.4, question number 1. So the following distribution give the daily income of 50 worker. So graph is given for a daily income of 50 workers of a factory. So convert the distribution above the less than type of cumulative frequency. Here we need to draw the which kind of the graph? Less than type of a cumulative frequency, and also draw its ogive curve. So we need to draw the less than type of ogive curve. So first of all, the daily income of worker, it is 100 rupees to 120 rupees. So how many worker they have on the they earn the 100 to 120? It is 12. Then 120 to 140, the 14 workers. 140 to 160, it is 8. 160 to 180, it is 6. And 180 to 200. So number of worker, it is 10. So total number of worker, it is given 50 workers. So here the sum of all, it is 50. Now first of all, we need to find the cumulative frequency, CF. So first of all 12. Now 12 plus 14, so it is 26. We can add this. Now 28 plus 26 plus 8, 34. 34 plus 6, it is 40. And 40 plus 10, so it is 50. Clear? So we can find the value of CF. So if you want to draw the less than type of CF, so we can discuss that. We can draw the graph of upper limit versus CF. So it is our upper limit. These all are our upper limits. So if upper limit is 120, then CF value it is 12. So first coordinate it is what? 120, 12. So on a x-axis, so we can similarly get 140, 26, then 160, 34, 180, 40 and 250. So we can get all the coordinates. So if you want to draw the ogive, so on a x-axis, here we can draw the upper limit. We can draw the upper limit. On y-axis, we can draw the cumulative frequency. So see the frequency. It is 12, 26 like that. So here we are taking the scale. 10. Clear? On a y axis we are taking 1 unit is equal. Also you can take the 5 or a 10. It is depend on you. You can take any of the scale. So here we can take the scale of 10. Clear? So 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So now first coordinate is what? 120. Upper limit it is 120 and CF is 12. So 120 and 12. So it is here. Then second 140 comma 26. 140 comma. So it is here. Then 160 comma 34. 160 comma 34. So 34 it is here. Then next 180 comma 40. So 180 and 40 is here. Next 200 comma 50. So 200 comma 50. So it is here. So we can get the all the point. Now join the all the point. So it is called which kind of the graph? Less than type ogive or ogive. Clear? So it is called less than type of ogive. So in a question 1 they are asking less than type of ogive. So first of all we need to find the CF. From CF we can take the upper limit versus CF. So we can get the all the coordinate and then we can join the all the points. So we can get the less than type of ogive. Now we are going to our next question, question number 2. So during the medical checkup, 35 students of the class, their weight were recorded as follows. So here the number of students, they are giving the frequency distribution less than 38. So it means what? How many students have the weight less than 38? It is 0. Then less than 40. So how many students? So here they are giving the CF. Clear? They are not giving us a frequency. They are directly give us a cumulative frequency. Clear? So and second thing, they are giving they are not directly give us the class interval, but they are writing like that, less than 38, then less than 40. So here the gap is 2, class interval it is 2. So we can take the 36 to 38, then 38 to 40. Similarly we can get the all the class range. And second thing, CF is given 0, 3, 5. So 42 to 40, 40 to 42. It means what? 5 students are there. They have the weight less than 42. Clear? Similarly we can get the all the data. Now if you want to find out the frequency from cumulative frequency, so we have the same sum. It is in our exercise number 14.3. In this sum they are directly give us the cumulative frequency. From a cumulative frequency we can get the frequency only. So how can we get? First of all we can write 0. Then 3 minus 0 it is 3. 5 minus 3 it is 2. 9 minus 5 4. 14 minus 9. So it is 5. Then 28 it is 14. 32 minus 20 it is 4. And 35 minus 3. So it is 35 minus 32. So answer it is 3. So we can get all the frequency. Now they are asking what? Draw the less than type of ogive. So we can draw the which kind of graph? Less than type of ogive. So in a less than type of ogive we can draw the graph upper limit versus CF. So what is our upper limit? 38. Clear? 38. And what is CF? 0. So first it is 38 comma 0. Then 40 it is 3. So 40 comma 3. Then 42 comma 5. Then 44 comma 9. Then 46 comma 14. Then 48 comma 28. Then 50 comma 32. And 52 comma 35. So we can get all the coordinate. upper limit and cumulative frequency. Now we can plot the graph. We can plot the graph. So upper limit is starting from 38. So 38, 40 like that. And here we can plot cumulative frequency. So maximum it is 5. So we are taking the 5 as our scale. So on y axis we are taking 1 unit is equal to 5 student, and on x axis 1 unit is equal to 2 kilogram, because each gap is 2 2. Clear? Now next, first 38, 0. So upper limit is 38, 0. So it is here. Then 40, 3. So 40, 3. Then 42, 5. 42, 5. Next 44, 9. 44, so it is here. Then 46, 14. 46, 14. Then 48, 28. 48, 28. Then 50, 32. 32. And last 52, 35. 52, 35. So we can join all the point. So it is called which kind of graph? Less than type ogive. It is called less than type of ogive. Now they are asking also the one next thing is, hence obtain the median of a wedge from the graph. So how can we get the median from the graph? So first of all, here n is what? Total student, it is given 35 student. Total student n is equal to 35. So n by 2. So it is 17.5. It is called 17.5. So where is our 17.5? It is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So it is 17.5. It is here. So we can draw use the different color chalk. And we can also draw the one vertical line like that. So it is the value of what? Here we have a 47. So what is the value of median? Median is 46, 5, because it is 46, 5. So how can we find the value of median? First of all, here the total number of students is 35. Then 35 n by 2. So means what? 17.5. Now see that column, cumulative frequency column. 17.5 it is here, 16, then 17, it is 17.5. So we can draw that line, and we can also draw the one vertical line from that point. So it is intersect on upper limit, it is at here. So the value of, so it shows what? It shows the value of median. So the value of median, it is 46, 5. So they are also asking now, verify the result by using the formula. So for a formula, we have a formula like that. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Clear? You are already familiar with that formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into H upon F. So you can put all the value. First of all, 17.5. So where is 17.5? It is here between this. So we are selecting that column. We are selecting that column. So it is a value of F. It is a value of CF, and it is a value of L. So, and what is the height? Class is 2. Class H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit. So it is 2. So now you can put all the value. L is equal to what? 46. N by 2. It is 17.5. CF it is 14, then F it is also 14, and height is equal to 2. So you can get the same answer. Median is equal to 46.5. So you can try that to find out the value of median by using the formula at your home. So you can get the same answer and you can match both answer yourself. So last question of our exercise number 14.4, it is our question number 3. So in a question number 3 they are saying that the following table give the production yield per hectare of a wheat of 100 farm of a village. So here the production of yield, it is given kilogram per hectare. So some farm have the 50 to 55, they have how many farms? They have the production between 50 to 55, it is 2. So similarly we can get the data, and the sum of all it will be 100, because the 100 farm it is given here. The total number of farm it is 100. Now they are asking change the distribution to the more than type of distribution. Here the last question it is different from all two other question 1 and question 2. In this question they are asking more than type of ogive. In remaining two questions they are asking less than type of ogive. So first of all we can draw the, if you want to draw the more than type of ogive, we can start with maximum number of. So here the total number farm it is 100. So here first of all we can put 100. Then 100 minus 2, so 98. Then 98 minus 8, so 90. Then 90 minus 12, so it is 78. Then 78 minus 24, so it will be 54. Then 54 minus 3, so it is 54 minus 3, so it is 51, and last 51 minus 16. So we can get all the data like that. Clear? 100, then 98, then 90, 78, 54 and 51 like that. So first, so here if you want to draw the more than type of ogive, so we will consider the lower limit. We can draw the graph lower limit versus CF, cumulative frequency. So lower limit here it is 50. Lower limit is 50. So CF is 100. So first point is 50, 100. Then lower limit is 55. Then 98. Then 60. So at that time answer it is 90. Then 65. So it is 78. Then 70. So it will be 70, at that time it is 54. And last 75. So answer it is 51. So we can get all the data like that. So you must remember one thing is what? If you want to draw the more than type of ogive, so start with total number of frequency. Then subtract each from its frequency. So we can get the value of cumulative frequency. Next, so first point is what? 50, 100. So 50 and 100. So these both are matching here. So we can use that chalk. So you can get. So here we have a first point. Then second it is 55, 98. 55 and 98. So 98 is here. So 98. Then second 60, 90. So 60 and 90. Then 65, 78. 65, 78. Then 70, 54. 70 and 54. So 54 it is here. Last 75, 51. 75 and 51. So we can get all the point. Now join. So it is called which kind of graph? It is called more than type of ogive. On x-axis we are taking 10 unit is equal to 5 kilogram per hectare. On y-axis we are taking 10 unit is equal to 10 farms. Means one box is equal to 5 kilo and one box is equal to 10 farms. It is 10 farms. So now our chapter number 14 is over. It is very important according to the point of board examination, because from this chapter they are asking the 6 mark. The weightage of the 14 chapter, it is 6 mark. So you need to prepare all the sum twice, and you can also calculate the solve sum which is given in the book. So you have the confidence about mean, mode and median. Thank you.